Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making homemade cinnamon rolls. I make these homemade cinnamon rolls all the time. Soft, gooey, and easy to make. They're always a hit with my family and friends. You're going to need half a cup butter melted, 2 cups warm milk, half a cup sugar, 1 tablespoon yeast, 5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon salt. Start with 1 cup of warm milk. Add a tablespoon of yeast. Add half a cup sugar. And start with a little bit of flour just to activate the yeast. Add half a cup melted butter. Add the rest of the milk. Then add most of the flour. Add baking powder and a tablespoon of salt. Mix the dough until it stops sticking to your hands but it's still soft. Oil the bowl and also oil the dough, then cover it with a plastic wrap and set it aside to rise double in size. For a fill, you're going to need 1 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. After the dough is doubled in size, spread it as thin as you can. Then spread melted butter. Then get a Ziploc bag and add brown sugar and cinnamon together and then shake it until it's completely mixed. Then spread the mix evenly. Roll it from the bottom up as tight as you can. Then start cutting it from the center every inch apart. Then set them in a pan with a little space in between them because they're going to rise when you bake them. Then brush them with the melted butter. Bake it on 360 for 25 to 30 minutes. For frosting, you're going to need 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Start with the cream cheese, then add melted butter, then add milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. And then just mix it all well to look like a thick soup. As soon as you get the rolls out of the oven, start spreading frosting. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.